Right, where do I even begin? XOS Mud Racers, XOS Drag Racers, and now XOS Rocket Racers. I believe the XOS Rocket Racers will be the most diecast released line, apart from the XOS Mud Racers, which also has probably roughly the same amount, but today brings us a special video, because I believe I was the first ever person to find these as a picture, and also I'll be the first ever person to review this particular card today. I'm not reviewing both of them, but I'm only going to review on one. If you'd like to see like a quick video of the other one, I will show you in a bit. But yeah, you can probably already guess what I am talking about, and we will be comparing all the other Mood Springs teams here today. So yeah, here is, yeah, you've heard me correctly, XOS Rocket Racers Ed Truncan. Now, if you're unfamiliar, if you turn the flash off here, if you're unfamiliar about this diecast, he is also known as the New York Comic Con car, because he was the only new car there that was released, and I gotta say, he's not my favourite, but my love for Mood Springs makes him my favourite no matter what. It's just the Mood Springs, and this also is his first other variant, except for his first release, and we will be getting an endurance race, Ed Truncan soon too. So without further on, let's start the actual review of Ed Truncan here. So as you can see, there is Ed Truncan in the package with the blast wall. We've got Ed Truncan with blast wall there. There's his artwork, as you can see. Very nice artwork, very different to what we usually see. And we got an image there of how the rocket races work. And also in the package we can move the wheel about to see the things work. Made in Mattel too. Here is the back for those people that are interested. It is made in Vietnam, unfortunately, so it will never be probably made in China. Here is the other back. Just Ed Truncan with blast wall in a whole bunch of different languages using the XOS line. This series used to have a bio, but I'm not exactly sure what's happened to the bio. Has it disappeared? I'm not sure. But yeah, and usually that will be the end of the review, but no, I don't usually do this, but we are going to be opening them up just to show you guys here today, as I just want to open it. It's just Mood Springs, and yeah, he is so cool. We will take a look at the blast wall first, obviously. So that is the packaging. Let's turn on the flashlight again to show the blast wall. Here is the blast wall. It is, of course, it says 33 for Ed Truncan and Mood Springs. Checker pattern and the XOS. I believe it is a sticker that is on here. So yeah, there's the inside. We got nothing else on the back here. So very interesting. And here is Rocket Racers Ed Truncan. Now, shout outs to JC Cars 8, I believe it was, who was the first ever person to review George Newen, which I also have one here. But again, there's no point in me opening it because I'm not the first person. You can go watch JC Cars 8 video on George Newen. Just look up Rocket Racers George Newen. It's probably there on YouTube. Yeah, that's the other guy. If you would like to see a review on it in the package, I can certainly do one. Yeah, here is Ed Truncan Rocket Racer. Very nice. Of course, like I said, he is my favourite. So we start off with the front here, and then we will compare him to the diecast later on. There's his expression. As you can tell, there might be some shine. It looks like he's got glitter on him. We've got the fenders here at the front, and the headlights, and a nice car moustache. We got XOS logo there, and XOS ET, which means Ed Truncan, not ET Phone Home. We're not going to get into that movie. No, I just realised that. And also, yeah, he has this nice pattern here on top, which is engraved, so you can feel it. His eye expression is different to the diecast. On the top here, we've got 33. Very nice. We got this back part here, which is also like a T-wing. Very nice. On the sides here, we've got these rims that are very nice, which read Lightyear. On the side, we also got XOS 33. Got Piston Cup, Combustor, Carbon Cyber, and Synergy are the sponsors there. Very clear to read them now, especially this is made in Vietnam. Up here we've got these holes as well to make the car faster, I guess. Mood Springs logo there. XOS ET. Here's the back, we've got the rockets here. We've got 33 and XOS ET again. Here's the other side, very nice. Here is the base of Ed Truncan, made in Vietnam. Very nice. So yeah, that does end the review, but we will bring the whole entire team and my package collection of Ed Truncan. And as you can see, there is the rocket, and that's how they work. They move back and forth. Very nice. Can't believe I'm still the first person to review this. But anyways, here is Ed Truncan from his diecast. You can see that the expression is different. So that is nice that he's got a different expression to the China release. Very nice. Wouldn't mind a Thailand Ed Truncan actually, just to fill my Ed Mood Springs collection up a bit more. Here's the sides. No sponsors on the side, but we do have them down here. Very nice. No massive M this time for no reason on the car at all. No rookie stripes because he doesn't need them. Very nice. There's the top again, and there's the two bases. That is Ed Truncan. I also have a Disney Store one. So yeah, this is the pullback. Pretty rubbish if you ask me. So that is those two. We'll put the blast wall in the background because this is the review of the blast wall. We also got the tractor here. Again, released in the Apple iCard 2-pack from the Disney Store. In the UK only, which is surprisingly that this guy was released in the UK. Very nice. Got some dust on him. He has been on my shelf for quite a while. We got a China Chuck Armstrong and a Thailand Chuck Armstrong, which of course replaced him. You guys, what car I'm going to show up next. My Race Damage Mood Springs. We also have Dud Fottleman here from Cars 3, the racer that Ed Truncan replaced. We also have his hauler. I'm not doing a review on the team, I've already done a review before. Very nice. Would like to have the cancelled hauler. It's the only cancelled car that is on my list, and the cancelled Pity, which is a shame. Now we go into my box collection of Mood Springs. We've got Dud Fottleman, Chuck Armstrong, as Mattel mislabeled it. Got this from Kids Stuff for ages ago. Oh, and before I do forget, we do have this mini here too. We also got Ed Truncan here in the package, so we'll put him aside over here for now. We've also got Dud Footman here in the package as well, because you know I love Mood Springs. Here's my rubber tire Mood Springs, and probably one of my most expensive box cars I've actually owned as a single, in a protector's card too. We got Race Damage Mood Springs, as you can see, in the package. So yeah, that does end the review on, and the team on Rocket Racers Ed Truncan. Let me know your thoughts on him in the comments below. And I do actually have some other Rocket Racers here to show again, because I did bring them out. We got Jackson Storm, we got Steve LePage, we got Barry the Pedal, we got Lightning McQueen and Cruz Murray. All these versions are made in Vietnam. So yeah, I also do have Cam Spinner in the package and Paul Conrad in the package. I do also have all the others in the package except for Ed Truncan, because I just wanted to do a video on him open, so it could be a longer video. So I hope you did like that video. And I also, as I have shown before, got this George Newin in the package too. Very nice, and it's official that his name is now George Newin, because Tomica does like to change up the names sometimes of their cars. So yeah, that does end the review. Let's just get all these back, and of course, let's put the spotlight on the New York Comic Con car of Rocket Racers Ed Truncan. Hopefully Eric Breaker and Michael Rota come out soon so I could do reviews on them too. But yeah, it's coming up to 10 minutes now. Hope you like this review. Maybe we've got a sneak peek for a video coming soon. Maybe. That's a little sneak peek of HJ Hollis Mini Racer. Maybe that's a hint. But yeah, if you are new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. Until the next one, bye guys.